Okay? Arita ko yan. Arita. Huwag ka rin gamay. Alright, so now, everyone, since na mo yung grupo, no, gusto na ko, kada grupo is na ay isa ka leader. Go! Choose one leader. Okay, choose one leader. Okay, sabi ito, puntok mo. Oh. Alright, so tagaan ko mo 5 seconds no, para mapili leader. Go! 1! 3, 4, 5. Okay na na? Ikaw, alin ko yan. Sabihin. Go! Alright, so now. Kuya iyan, pag mga gloves, kaya ko na i-boxing. Alright, so handshake mo ha, handshake. Okay, alright, so now leaders, I'll give you 5 seconds to create a group name of your group. Dayon, magsabot ra mo si members no, moduol ra mo nila, magsabot mo kung sa'y pangalan siyang grupo. Inagumana na, balik ka diri dayon, mangutan na kung sa'y pangalan siyang grupo. Alright? 5 seconds starts now. Go! 1 2 3 4 5. Okay na. Alright, salita ko ng kuya. Okay. Hi kuya, jolly afternoon. May hapon diha. Okay, alright, so now, kuya, before ni mong sulti ang pangalan sa imong grupo, no? Unsay pangalan nimo?
Gabriel.
Gabriel. Okay, so kuya Gabriel, what is the name of your group?
Jolly Darby.
Jolly Darby, pangalan, mas mong celebrant. Alright, so now, palagpagan natin ang team Jolly Darby! Okay, arita. Alright, so sir, jolly afternoon. So before you tell us the name of your group, unsay pangalan nimo?
Jonas.
Jonas. Okay, so Sir Jonas, what is the name of your group?
Group temperature.
Ano temperature man?
Pura na yung imon.
Tempura na imo, temperature na lang. Masa ni, hot or cold?
Or high blood.
Oh, high blood na. Oras na pala mga ng team. Temperature. Okay, alright, so now, for this game pala, everyone is we call Jolly Pop Balloon. So leaders, thank you so much. Balik na ta sa inyong members. Okay, so now, as you can see, Kuya Leon have a balloon. Then, I want you to put the balloon like that. Okay? Under your legs, ha? Ibutang nyo sa inyong paa na yun. Bawal gunitan ang balloon, bawal mahulog ang balloon. If mahulog ang balloon, everyone, ibalik lang, then continue kung asa mo nahulugan sa balloon. And now, inyong duha kakamot is nasa likod. Alright? So you only have to do, everyone, is to jump, jump, jump only, and turn around the chairs. Ano muna, kuya, huwag kang layak. Ginadala ka. Alright, so now, if nabot na mo sa finish line, everyone, before you pass the balloon to the next player, you